Comes the Haboob rolling in from the East Valley. I'm out here at the casino parking lot. It's kind of neat how it rolls in. And my dumbass is about to get in the car and drive right into that. Sometimes I wonder if I have any sense at all. Here we go. 6:30 on a Friday night. Driving into the dust storm. Kind of hard to see it up ahead, but she's coming. And I'm heading right for it. So are all these other fools. Interestingly, the sun is bright and shiny behind us. Let's see if I can get into it here. Now we're just getting into the edge of the dust storm now. That bright shininess is still right behind us. Still daylight. In the dust cloud. Blowing dust, low visibility, slow down. The guy in the Jeep in front of me is scared, so he's riding his brakes, which is the dumbest thing you can do in a dust storm. Fool in the Tesla thinks he's gonna take my little safety space and just clog that all up. That's the problem with Arizona drivers, is that most of them are damn fools. Fast forward to save some time. Well, I've never seen a dust storm before. So let's drive into it. Let's speed up. I'll be one of those damn fools. Now, I like to keep a nice distance between me and the people around me. See up here, it's getting a little denser. This guy wants over. Come on over. This guy wants over from the other side. Welcome to Arizona driving in a dust storm. It would be much safer if it wasn't for the idiots. Coming into the densest part of the storm, you'll see people pulling over off to the side. The camera's not staying focused very well because it doesn't understand what this dust is doing, actually. There's people off to the side of the road with the brakes on. What you're not supposed to do is you don't want somebody to follow into you thinking you're in the traffic lane, crash right into your stopped vehicle. You turn your flashers on and keep driving. That way people are aware of you. Good flashers on that Jeep right there. They've been in a dust storm before. The dust is still heavy, but the rain is starting to come on as well, which will knock some of that dust down. And we're still in rush hour. We're at the end of rush hour, 6:30 on a Friday night, Labor Day weekend, so a lot of people were taking off early today anyway. It's really pretty light for a Friday. And here comes the rain. That became torrential, but it knocked down the dust. As you can see now, it's just rain. All that water is knocking the dust down on the pavement. Torrential rain for Arizona. Wipers on their fastest setting can barely keep up. These people are more scared of the rain than they are of the dust, which is kind of silly. People back east will be laughing because this isn't even that much rain for y'all. Out here it doesn't rain that much, so we don't get that much practice driving in the rain. This is the 202 Santan Freeway going from Chandler into Gilbert. I'm just coming out of the casino. Slowing down. Might make you car sick just to watch it. It's kind of bouncing around and turning the wipers down. That's a little bit more better. That's a storm in Arizona. We've only gone about, I don't know, 5 or 6 miles from the beginning of that dust to the torrential rain, and now we're out on the far edge of it. Sprinkling a little bit. And this is my exit, Gilbert Road. And that was a 10-minute storm in Arizona. It's the Biker, and I'm out.